Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all well. In this video we are going to unbox this brand new Xbox Series S. So here we go, just been delivered from the courier. Today is the 10th of November 2020, so launch date for the Xbox Series S. Let's have a quick look at the box. So pretty standard Xbox box. We've got on the rear, "Power Your Dreams" seems to be their tagline at the minute. Nice pictures. Right, let's get it opened and see what we've got. So there is a little label here. So let's pull that open. And a couple of labels to the side here. Let's open those as well. The other side, just around here. And then you should be able to flip it open. There we go, look at that little baby. So let's take that out. Wow, for a small unit, that's quite heavy. Right, put that to one side a minute. Let's see what else we've got. We have a quick start guide, just showing you what ports are what. And then in here, we have power cable. I'm in the UK, so it's a UK power cable. We have an HDMI cable. Again, not gold plated, but still it is a high speed cable. A warranty guide. And then we have this new controller. So let's take a look at that. And that does come with some batteries as well. So new controller. Obviously very similar to the previous controller. It's got the new D-pad and the additional button there, as you've probably all seen before. It does feel just a little bit heavier than the old controller. So battery panel at the back, and obviously headphone socket, as well as your extension socket, and then there's the mini USB. Actually, tell a lie, that looks to be USB-C connector at the front. Yeah, USB-C at the front. So obviously connect up and charge if you've got a battery pack in there, or just connect via cable to your Xbox. So yeah. Nice new controller. Let's put the empty box to one side. There's nothing else in that. And then take a look at this. So let's take the little bit of cardboard off. And let's have a look. So nicely wrapped up. Nearly Christmas. Let's see what we've got. Now that is nice. It's a lot smaller than its predecessor, and it's quite weighty though, to be honest, for a unit without an optical drive. I know optical drives don't weigh that much. It's quite weighty. Obviously USB port at the front, a bind button, and that bind button apparently doubles up as an infrared receiver as well, and then the power button. On the rear, what have we got? We have network connector, two super speed USB connectors, HDMI out, an expansion socket. So if you want to expand the internal memory, this has only got the 512. So you can actually add the expansion memory to that, and obviously power, and then the lock at the end there. Now I noticed on this it's only just got the HDMI out. Obviously on the old Xbox S, I used to have the HDMI through as well that you can connect other devices up to. So this has just got HDMI out. So yeah, it's quite a weighty unit for the size of it. On the side here, we've got some feet, so it can be mounted that way. And also obviously on the bottom as well. Some air vents to the bottom of it. And air vent above the expansion socket at the back as well. I know there's some concerns over the heat that these solid state expansion devices produce. So I imagine obviously that's trying to counteract some of that. So there you go. Real quick video, just show the unboxing of the Xbox Series S. Hope that was useful. I will put a link in the description below because our next video is us tearing this down. So we're going to actually strip it everything down to the bare motherboard and see what's inside. So please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you get notified when that video goes live. Thanks very much for your view, really appreciate it. Please consider giving us a thumbs up, that really does help us out. Take care of yourselves, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye bye.